In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Ringtone on Poco C75. Open the Play Store, install Zedge wallpaper and Ringtone in your device. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Tap on Accept and Continue. Now, skip the marketing deals. Go in Ringtones. Here you get multiple ringtones. For example, I want to set this ringtone, so I will simply tap on it. I will simply tap on download. Now here multiple options is showing. It is asking to set the sound as a ringtone, as a notification, as an alarm, or as a contact ringtone, or as a media folder. So I want to set this as a ringtone. Now give the permission by tapping on this toggle. Go back. As you can see, standard ringtone is updated. So this is how you can download ringtone on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.